Yes, children, we will start now trigonometrical identities exercise. Prove the following identities. Sec a minus 1 by sec a plus 1 is equal to 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. Okay, children? Yeah. Now I will take LHS sec a minus 1 by sec a plus 1. Okay. Now we will solve from LHS to RHS. Yeah, sec, how can we write 1 by cos A minus 1 by, this is again 1 by cos A plus 1, which is equal to, in numerator, cos A is the LCM, 1 minus cos A. In denominator, cos A is the LCM and 1 plus cos A. Okay, cos A, can we cancel it? Yes. Now the leftover is 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. This is RHS. Hence LHS equal to RHS. Okay, children? Yes. Next question. What is the second question? Prove 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to cosec A plus 1 by cosec A minus 1. Okay. Same again here we can go with the LHS or RHS also. I'll start with the RHS. Cosec A plus 1 by cosec A minus 1. What is cosec? 1 by sin A plus 1 by 1 by sin A minus 1. Now I'll take the LCM in numerator sin A. Okay. 1 plus sin A into 1 sin A. Here again LCM in denominator, 1 minus sin A into 1 sin A. Sin A cancel, 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A, which is RHS. Correct? Sorry, LHS. Okay? Therefore, RHS to LHS I have done. Correct? Both are equal only, no? Yes. Next question. Question number 3. What is the question 3? Prove that 1 by tan A plus cot A is equal to sin A cos A. Okay, children? Yes. Now I can go with the LHS or RHS. Now LHS I will start 1 by tan A plus cot A. Okay. How can I write tan A? Sin A by cos A by sin A. Cot definition, right? Okay. Next again, in denominator, LCM. Cos A into sin A, cos A. LCM, product, both are co-primes. Co-primes in the sense LCM product method I am saying about the LCM, okay? So now sin A into sin A, sin square A. Cos A into cos A, cos square A. Okay, children? Yes. Now we can go with the reciprocal. What is the answer? Here again 1 by sin A cos A. Okay. Now by reciprocal we are getting sin A and cos A. Okay, this is what RHS. Okay, children. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Okay, children. Yeah. Next one. Fourth question. Tan A minus cot A. Tan A minus cot A. Okay. How can we, tan A minus cot A is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square A by sin A cos A. LHS again I can go with the LHS, tan A minus cot A. Okay, children, this is not is equal minus. Okay, now what is tan definition, children? Sin A by cos A minus cos A by sin A. Okay, now LCM cos A sin A, right? So now here LCM sin A into sin A, sin square A cos A into cos A, cos square A. Okay, now sin square, how can we write? Sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A by cos A sin A. Okay, so you have this one. Since reason you write right side, actually sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Okay, now 1 minus minus 1 minus 2 cos square A by cos A sin A. Okay, children, this is RHS. Hence, LHS equal to RHS. Okay, children. Next question. Question number 5. Sine to the power 4a minus cos to the power 4a is equal to sine square a minus 1. Okay, in example I explained about the cos square terms RHS, but here in the question exercise he has given in terms of sine RHS. Okay, now here this sine can be written as sine square A LHS, children. LHS I am going to start proving. Sine square A whole square cos square A whole square, which is equal to a square minus b square. How can we write? Sine square a minus, okay, this place won't be sufficient. I will start writing here so that reasons we can mention. Sine square a minus cos square a sine square a plus cos square a. Since a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b form I am just writing. Okay, just a minus b and a plus b. Yes, now again this is nothing but 1. Okay, and here this one we have to turn into RHS part. What is RHS part in terms of sine? So cos also will turn in terms of sine. Okay, so sine square a cos square, how can we write cos square? 1 minus sine square a. So here children we cannot write directly because it is already negative. So I am keeping this in closed bracket and this into the open bracket. Okay, since cos square a equal to 1 minus sine square. See, from where did you get sine square a plus cos square a is equal 1. Okay, from this we got this formula. Okay, so now I am removing this open bracket from the square bracket. Yes, sine square a minus 1 minus into minus plus sine square a into 1 in 1 only into 1 no need to write again. Sine square a is what? 2 sine square a minus 1. This is nothing but RHS. Hence LHS equal to RHS. Okay children. Yeah, next question. Question number 6. What is the question number 6? 1 minus tan a whole square plus 1 plus tan a whole square is equal to 2 sec square a. Okay children, so tan value we can expand directly. Yes, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square also we can define, or else you can you can define tan a, sin a by cos a. Okay, in any method we can expand it. 1 minus tan a whole square, 1 minus sin a by cos a, LHS children, whole square. 1 plus sin a by cos a whole square. Okay. Now here in both the brackets I am going to take LCM. So cos a is the LCM. Cos a into 1 cos a minus sin a whole square plus cos a plus sin a by cos a whole square. Okay. Now this is cos a minus sin a whole square. Cos a minus sin a whole square by cos a cos square a cos a plus sin a whole square by cos square a. Okay. Now here we can expand in a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. So denominator is cos square a, LCM. So numerator cos square a plus sin square a minus 2 sin a cos a plus cos square a plus sin square a plus 2 sin a cos a plus 2 sin a cos a minus 2 sin a cos a cancel. Now this is 1 plus 1 2. Okay, 2 by sec square a. Sorry, 2 by cos square a, which is equal to 2 into sec square a. This is what? RHS. Okay children, very simple.